Hey everybody, this is Simon. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about the post-order binary tree traversal algorithm. Before going deep, let's recap what the binary tree is. A binary tree is a tree data structure where each node has at most two children, which are referred to as the left child and the right child. A binary tree has only one root node. The root has child nodes. And each child node has child nodes, and so on. Let's see how to implement post-order traversal. We have this binary tree and would like to traverse it post-order. For post-order traversal algorithm, we traverse the left subtree, traverse the right subtree, and visit the current node. Let's see post-order traversal in action and visit all nodes one by one. 7, 6, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. Here is how to implement post-order traversal in Python. To traverse the left subtree, we recursively call the post-order function on the left child of the current node, traverse the right subtree, and visit the current node. The implementation in C# or Java is very similar. As you see, it's a straightforward traversal algorithm. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.